How to enable face unlock on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to enable the face unlock, what you need to do is simply launch the settings application on your device. Here, as you swipe up, you can see the option of passwords and security, so tap on it. Here you have the option of face unlock right over here, so tap on it. And as you tap on face unlock, first of all draw up your passcode and then tap on add face data. So let's verify ourselves, and as I do that, what you can do is simply you have to add the face data, for which we have to make sure that all parts of the face are not covered by objects and are clearly visible, and face should be well lit as well, so you must have proper lighting conditions. So you can simply tap on start and you can just wait for a few more seconds and then tap on next, and here it will load the camera. So you just have to keep your face inside this frame, and as it recognizes and as it keeps the data, you can simply toggle on the option of face unlock. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.